welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, the things you see on TV. I was just watching Jerry Springer, and a man's cheating on his woman, and out comes the woman, which isn't a woman. The look on his face was priceless. Oh, we are here with another unboxing. Why else would we be here, right? Well, I could have surprised you. I'm working on 2 DIY videos as we speak anyway. This is the Short Story Book Club, one of my faves. And I'm going to give you a little information on this book club because who doesn't love a short story every now and again? I love to read books, but sometimes you just want to get to the point and read the book. So, this is a monthly short story book subscription. There are 2 boxes to choose from. The first one is the Short Story Book Club Lite, and it is $19.99. It's a lighter version of the full Short Story Book Club box. This monthly subscription box includes Short Story of the Month, plus our signature newsletter and discussion guides. This is the box for book lovers who just want the short stories without the snacks. Now listen, I'm a snacker from way back. I love my snacks. So I received the Short Story Book Club snack box because I love snacks. I do, and that's my downfall, but it's okay. Someday I might fix that, but not today. This one is the full Short Story Book Club box, complete with short story of the month and our signature newsletter, discussion guides, and gourmet snacks. It's everything you need for a book club. And this box is $39.99. You get 1 curated novella collection or anthology featuring literary fiction or narrative nonfiction by new and emerging short story authors. 1 story-specific discussion guide curated by our team professional book club moderators. And then you get a copy of the Short Story Book Club newsletter with exclusive content available only to subscribers. And you get access to exclusive Short Story Book Club groups and events. And then your gourmet snacks are inspired by themes from the monthly selection. It's not included in the Short Story Book Club Lite. So let us get into this box because I got it today and I just could not wait. I am telling you what I need to get in this box today. So this is how the box comes. Comes all nice and neat and packaged, and I have already untaped. Well, I thought I did. Untaped it. So when you open it, this is what you'll see. I'm going to remove all of the packaging. And then we're going to attempt to take it out of the box. And that is it. And it normally comes in a nice, neat basket. And that is what it looks like. I know it's a little hard to see through the paper, so we're going to get rid of this paper. Ugh. It is very well packaged. The presentation with this it's just above and beyond. I really appreciate. I'm sorry for all the noise, but this does make a little bit of noise, so we'll just speak a little louder while I get this off. There we go. Got it. Okay, so maybe now you can see a little bit better. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now we have more shrink wrap. We'll have to get this off next. I love this. Oh, wow. Ooh-wee. Come on now. You definitely want to see what this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Can you, it's like just fall in a box. That's what it reminds me. It's just fall items. Here, let me get it a little closer so you can see. These are not real. That's a good thing. And then, well, we will get right into this first. Oh my. This first snack. This is Wissy's Pound Cake. Don't fall, please don't fall. Wissy's Pound Cake. Doesn't that look delicious? Look at that. Hey guys, just wanted to pop in. This stuff is, delicious. It is chocolate on the top. Very good. Very, very good. And it satisfies a girl's sweet tooth. So, on with the video. Some pound cake. My hips don't like pound cake at all, but I like pound cake. Aren't those just the most beautifully wrapped pound cakes you have ever seen, ever, ever, ever? Very, very beautiful. Oh my, oh, I'm gonna have to hide this. Yummy. Oh, wow. Woo, I'm gonna love those. My hips ain't gonna, but I'm gonna love them. Then we're gonna sneak this a little, maybe I can put it in my hair. Maybe we'll put it in my hair. Let's see. Nope, it's not working. There, we'll wrap it around. How's that? Beautiful, right? I know, I look like a goofball. It's okay, though. No, I look like a unicorn. It's stuck in my hair. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. I love it. What are these called? Are these holly berries, I think? I don't know. Somebody let me know what they are. I think maybe they're holly berries. Who knows? Okay, let's get into this box. All right, so we have a book here. Our short story book. Okay, let's get that out of the way. And my short story book is called Montana, 1948. Come on now. And this is a novel by Larry Watson. And it says, let's see here, from the summer of my 12th year. Let's see, I carry a series of images more vivid and lasting from any others of my boyhood, and indelible, I'm sorry, beyond all attempts the years make to erase or fade them. So begins David Hayden's story of the cataclysmic summer of 1948, when the charges of a young Sioux woman forced David's father, the sheriff of the small town, to confront his older brother, a charming war hero and respected doctor. As a small town takes sides, David witnesses the unraveling of his family brought on by the revelation of a simple truth. In this tale of love and courage, David learns what it means to weigh the terrible choice between family loyalty and justice. Oh, that sounds like it's going to be an excellent book. National bestseller. A narrative that can be read purely for pleasure of a good story, but Watson is after something smaller and larger, a quest for personal integrity with a community that doesn't seem to want the truth, an understanding of the complexity of justice, a look at corruption behind the ideal of American white men as conquering heroes. And that was from the San Francisco Chronicle. Wow, this is going to be a really good book. I do love these kinds of books. And there's other books by Larry Watson. And again, there is the book. The San Francisco Chronicle said Montana 1948 stands out as a work of art. This book they're talking about. A superbly rendered novel, riveting. And that was the Houston Chronicle. This is going to be a good book. And then we have our short story book club cards, and this is the ones that they, you write the title, the author, the genre, what I liked about it, what I didn't like about it, and would you recommend it? You can keep track of everything that way. This is going to be a good book. Cannot wait to get into that book. And then we have some more snacks in our basket because it's still filled with snacks, so you can eat a snack while you're reading your book. And this is crackling kamut. I'll just show you. Kamut brand wheat snack, non-GMO, sea salt, nut-free, and vegan. Cool. Oh, and then we have some more crackling kamut. I want to say kamut. I'm sure that that is not how you're supposed to say it, but there are 2 bags of those. And lastly, we have Montana Crunch, Cream of the West, great tasting snack. And there are 2 bags of those. Looks like oatmeal. That's what it looks like, oatmeal. Cream of the West, Harlowtown, Montana. I think that's what it says. Rolled oats, barley flakes, non-fat sweetened condensed milk, dried cranberries, flaked sweetened coconut, and sliced almonds. Nice, nice. Well, that was it for my short story book club. I got all my snacks. I am ready for my book. Got me some crackling kamut. I've never even heard of this. Kamut. Crackling kamut. I have never heard of that. I wonder. Let's open it and find out, since this video isn't that long anyway. We shall see what in the heck this is. Get off. Oh, wow. Well, that's kind of weird looking. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Let's try it. Oh. That's kind of weird. I mean, but it's good. It don't taste bad. I mean, kind of got like a nutty flavor. But it says it's nut free. Wheat snack. I don't know. Not bad though. Kind of crunchy. It might distract me while I'm trying to read my book. But we do have our pound cake, which I cannot wait to dive into, because I know this is going to be good. Let's see. I was trying to see if that was chocolate on there. Kind of looks like chocolate on the top. It's a girl's best friend, don't you know? Ooh, this looks so yummy. And then we have our book. I am getting to go relax and curl up with this book and eat my snacks. So, if you would like to get this short story, oh no, book box, I just dumped everything. Short story book box for yourself. I will leave the link down below so that you can head on over to Cratejoy and get yourself one of these boxes because they're amazing. And I really did just dump all that kamut. I think that's what, I hope I'm saying it right. I don't want to do this box any injustice because it's a wonderful box. So if you like to get your own, because I'm not sharing, I'm sorry, I can't share. I will leave the link down below so that you can head on over to Crate Joy and get yourself one of these boxes because they're amazing. And I want to thank them for sending me this box again to review. It is an awesome box, and I hope that they do very well in the subscription box world because they deserve it. They put so much time and effort and care into these boxes, and the presentation is on point. It is so well packaged. When it gets here, there is not a little sliver out of place. It is beautiful, and I appreciate everything they do and all the hard work it must take to put these boxes together. I just couldn't even imagine. I think that I would probably pull my hair out if I had to deal with with some customers, I suppose. So, all right, guys. Well, that's it for this video. I will see you. My hair is about to fall out. Not literally, but you know what I mean. It is driving me nuts, though. Anyway. And then I found some bobby pins, trying to call myself using a bobby pin. I don't even remember how to use bobby pins. Anyway, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video real soon. Let me know if you're thinking about trying this box. I'd be kind of curious to know who else is the bookworm out there because I know I'm a bookworm. All right, guys, I'm out of here. I'm going to read my book. All right.